Every journey begins in nature. Under the golden sunlight, fresh apples ripen on vast orchards, carefully picked at the perfect moment. This is where apple juice begins. Once harvested, the apples are quickly transported to the factory. Speed and freshness are everything, because the better the fruit, the better the juice. Inside the factory, the apples go through powerful washing systems. Water sprays and rotating brushes remove dirt and impurities. Clean fruit is the first step toward pure juice. Not every apple makes the cut. Advanced machines and trained workers inspect each piece. Only the finest apples move forward. The selected apples enter massive crushing machines. Within seconds, whole fruit transforms into thick apple pulp. The transformation has begun. Next comes the pressing stage. Powerful hydraulic systems squeeze the pulp, releasing fresh, golden apple juice. But the process doesn't stop there. The juice is carefully filtered, removing small particles to create a smooth, clear liquid. To ensure safety, the juice is gently heated. This process eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving natural flavor. After pasteurization, the juice rests in large stainless steel tanks. Here, quality is maintained under controlled conditions. Now the juice moves to automated filling lines. Bottles are filled, sealed, and prepared at incredible speed. Precision and hygiene are key. Each bottle undergoes final inspection. Labels are applied, expiry dates printed, and strict quality tests performed. And finally, the journey ends where it matters most, on family tables, poured into glasses, bringing smiles to children and refreshing moments to homes around the world.